aptitude, both language aptitude as measured by standard tests. There are tests by which language aptitude has been measured. And attitude, affective variables. There are different reasons for having an attitude. For example, threatening attitude. For example, having anxiety, that could be one of the attitude towards learning a language. Threatened to be making mistakes or errors. Self-esteem, these could be the parts of attitudes which a personality could develop when learning a second language. They appear to be related to second language achievement. So both aptitude and attitude, they are directly related to the learning of second language and language acquisition, but are not related to each other. It is possible to have high aptitude and low attitude, low aptitude and high attitude, or both high or both low. So it is an interesting finding that although both aptitude and attitude are directly related to the achievement of learning the language or language acquisition, but at the same time these two factors are not interrelated. It is not so that if somebody is having a high aptitude, he is going to have a high attitude as well. It is not so. It is possible that somebody has high aptitude and low attitude, somebody has low aptitude and high attitude, or both high or both low. So in that case, the achievement will vary. For example, if somebody has low aptitude but high attitude, that is, that his learning power is less, but his effort is more. He has no anxiety, he has a lot of self-confidence, he will not be hurt if he makes mistakes, he is not worried about his high self-esteem that he thinks will become low because he will make a mistake. If he is not facing this situation, his attitude will be considered high, but his aptitude is low. So he might have a level of achievement which is very high because of his attitude. Similarly, if somebody has high aptitude, he can learn because his learning power, grasping power is more according to the tests. It has been measured that some learner has high aptitude, but he has low attitude. He is not really very conscious that he has to make an effort, because he is probably more confident that he will be able to achieve the results. So he may achieve the results because his aptitude is very high, although his attitude was very careless. And we have these examples in the classrooms when teachers, they say the student is not taking interest, he is very careless, but at the end of the exam and end of the year, we come to know the student has got good marks and has passed in flying colors because his aptitude was high. In certain cases, when the aptitude is high and the attitude is low, the student may face some sort of failure because probably he has been very, very careless in also attempting the exam, and then he could not score well. There can be such examples in the classrooms as well. So, but these both the factors are not related to one another. So the teachers need to be careful that if somebody has a high aptitude, they need to encourage them to have a good attitude, a high level of attitude towards learning and language acquisition.